The roof that's right for your neighbor might be completely wrong for your home. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through every option available to you, when each one makes sense and when it doesn't. There's a reason people say, buy once, cry once. Let me show you what that actually means for a roof in Central Texas. In the last video, we pulled back the curtain on the 9 components that make up a complete roofing system, and all of the places that corners get cut without you ever noticing. If you haven't watched that one yet, go back and start there. It's gonna make everything in this video land a lot harder. Today, I'm gonna walk you through 5 different roofing systems, and then I'm gonna show you how to think about each one, not just as a price tag, but as a long-term decision for your home. From our most premium systems down to our standard options, I'm going to show you what's in each one, when it makes sense, and when it might not. One thing before we dive in, if you're watching this in preparation for sitting down with one of our reps, we don't always lay out all 5 packages in person. We try to respect your time by tailoring your presentation based on what we already know about your home and your goals. But if you want to see all of them, just say so, no hesitation. And if you're using our instant quote tool online, all 5 packages are right there in front of you. Before we get into the packages, there's something that every Texas homeowner needs to understand about what's happening with insurance right now. We get hail here, a lot of it. Most of you know that firsthand. And depending on how much research you've done, you may be familiar with a certain term in the roofing industry, Class 4 impact resistance. And depending on who you've heard from on this topic, you may have gotten some differing opinions. So I want to break through the noise and the misinformation around these products for a minute. You see, for a long time, there was kind of an unspoken system. Hail comes through, you file a claim, insurance pays for a new roof, life goes on. A lot of homeowners got used to that cycle, and a lot of contractors did as well. In fact, the entire roofing industry ended up getting trained around the idea that your roof was only going to last 5 to 7 years before the next hailstorm would require you to get a new one. So a lot of roofers didn't like the idea of taking you out of the market by offering impact-resistant roofs. They banked on the idea that you would need to call them after every hailstorm, and that repeat business got baked into their business model. But that system of insurance companies buying you a new roof every few years is going away, and it's going away fast. Insurance companies have been quietly but aggressively changing how they handle roofing claims. ACV policies, or actual cash value, are becoming more and more common. Roof payment schedules, skyrocketing deductibles, and new policy exclusions every year are steadily decreasing how much financial help you end up getting in the event of a roof replacement. Instead of paying what it actually costs to replace your roof, they pay based on what your old roof was worth at the time of loss, minus your deductible and anything that they've decided to exclude from your coverage. You see, a 10-year-old roof that needs to be replaced will be valued at a fraction of its true replacement cost. And then you're on the hook for the rest. Deductibles are going up too, a lot. Most policies now tie your deductible to a percentage of your home's insured value, not a flat dollar amount. For example, 10 years ago, it wasn't uncommon to see a flat $1,000 or even $500 deductible. But now, on a $400,000 home, a 2% deductible means $8,000 out of pocket before insurance ever covers a single dollar. And we've seen them as high as 4 and 5%. So the days of getting a new roof every few years with insurance footing most of the bill are pretty much over with. Moving forward, you as the homeowner are going to be responsible for a much bigger share of the cost, which means that the quality of what goes on your roof matters to you now more than it ever has. So if you're still one of the lucky ones that's getting a significant payout this time, take advantage of that now, because next time you probably won't be this fortunate. So where does that leave you? Well, that's where Class 4 impact resistance comes in. Class 4 impact resistant roofing can change the economics of your homeowner's insurance. Class 4 is the highest impact resistance rating available for roofing products. Many carriers offer significant premium discounts, sometimes in the range of 20 to 30% for homes with qualifying Class 4 systems. So let's say you've got a $3,000 annual premium. Let's say a 25% discount would save you $750 a year or $7,500 over 10 years. That alone would offset the upgrade cost. Before you even factor in that Class 4 materials are significantly more resistant to the damage that triggered claims in the first place. Put simply, you're way less likely to ever need to file a claim in the first place, which means avoiding that deductible altogether. So before you make your final decision, call your insurance agent and ask them directly, do you offer discounts for Class 4 rated roofing? The answer might make your decision a lot easier. Most people compare the price on the proposal, but the number that actually matters is what that roof costs you every single year you own it. And when you do that math, the conversation looks completely different. So let's dive in. We're gonna start at the top and then work our way down. Our top of the line option is our Citadel package. It comes with either stone-coated steel panels or rubber shingles. This is the most durable roofing system that you can purchase. And quite frankly, these products exist in a category of their own. We're not talking about traditional asphalt shingles at this level. Our Citadel systems are made up of the only materials we've seen stand up to any storm, regardless of the size of hail. Understand, this is a fundamentally different class of roofing material. Stone-coated steel panels, like you see here, can be formed into many different shapes to mimic different roofing types. And rubber shingles, like these from EuroShield, can mimic slate or even wood shake roofs. And they're the only products that come with a hail warranty that really doesn't care about the size of the hail. These materials are built for exactly what Texas throws at a roof. And honestly, they look incredible. If you've never seen one of these up close, go ahead and look them up, but I'll warn you, the photos don't do them justice. For the right homeowner, the Citadel is the last roof they'll ever put on their house. We're talking 50 plus years of lifespan, regardless of what Mother Nature throws at it. We've seen these materials take direct hits from significant hail and come away without a scratch. And that's not marketing, that's just what they're built to do. They require almost zero maintenance over their lifetime, and they add real visible value to your home from day one. So when does the Citadel package make sense? When you plan to stay in the home for the long haul, and you want to stop thinking about your roof forever. When you want the absolute best storm protection available, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing that nothing is getting through it. And when you run the cost of ownership numbers, because on a lifetime system that's never going to need replacing, it's often the most economical choice of all over a long enough timeline. It's also worth knowing that Citadel is available with special promotional financing offers, same-day approval, flexible term lengths, and payments that make this option more accessible than most people expect. When might the Citadel package not be the right call? Well, if you're planning to sell in the next few years, you're probably not going to fully recoup the premium at closing. Though it will absolutely help your home stand out and give it an executive look from the street. There's no doubt that it is a roof that looks like a luxury upgrade and performs like one too. If budget's a real constraint, that's what the rest of these options are for. But if Citadel is within reach and you're not planning on going anywhere for a while, take a serious look. You won't regret it. The next level is our Icon package. These are luxury designer shingles with Class 4 impact resistance. Every shingle in the Icon tier is Class 4, the highest impact resistance available. So you're getting the strongest hail protection in an asphalt shingle format, all of the insurance discount benefits that we talked about, and a roof that's a huge visual upgrade to your home. And I mean a noticeable one. Standing at the curb, designer shingles just look different in the best way. The profile is richer, the dimensions deeper, and the texture of that roof definitely screams premium in a way that a standard architectural shingle just doesn't. If you've ever driven past a house and thought, man, that roof looks incredible, there's a good chance it was something in this category. We call it Icon because that's exactly what your home becomes. And when you consider that the roof is roughly 60% of what people actually see from the street, that's not an exaggeration. Some homeowners just want their home to look exceptional. They've worked hard for it, they take pride in it, and they don't want to have to choose between performance and appearance. The Icon package says you don't have to settle. So when does the Icon make sense? Well, when Class 4 protection matters and the look of your roof matters just as much. When you're in a neighborhood where curb appeal is a real deciding factor, for your own pride of ownership or future resale value. And when you want something distinctive that makes your home really stand out. So when might the Icon package not be the right call? When premium aesthetics just don't matter as much to you. Or if you just prefer the look of a traditional architectural shingle. Guardian will give you the identical Class 4 protection at a lower investment. The performance is the same, so the upgrade to Icon is primarily an aesthetic one. If the designer look isn't a priority for you, Guardian is the smarter buy. But if you want the full package, performance, and a roof that makes a statement, Icon delivers it. That leads us to the Guardian package. These are traditional architectural shingles, but with a Class 4 impact rating. This is smart protection for Central Texas, and honestly, it's where most of our clients land. So it's the package I want to spend a little extra time on because I think it's underappreciated by a lot of homeowners, and I want to change that. Guardian gives you the highest level of impact resistance available in a traditional shingle. It qualifies for insurance discounts with most major carriers in Texas. It handles most of what Central Texas weather throws at it, which, as we know, is a lot. And it looks like a clean, classic dimensional shingle that works on virtually any home. You won't see the difference from the street, but you'll feel it the first time a hailstorm rolls through. Here's what I mean. We've seen homeowners receive insurance discounts after upgrading to a Class 4 system. Real numbers, meaningful reductions on their annual premiums that over time offset a significant portion of what they spent on the roof itself. That's not hypothetical. That's money back in your pocket every single year. And that's before you factor in the stronger warranties, the better long-term durability, and the peace of mind that comes from knowing that your roof is built for exactly the kind of weather we live in. Which means you're less likely to ever deal with another claim or another deductible. So when does Guardian make sense? When you want the best hail and wind protection available in an asphalt shingle, and you want to take full advantage of the insurance discount opportunity. But you aren't interested in spending more for an aesthetic upgrade to your home. When you plan to stay in your home for any meaningful amount of time, and honestly, when you want to stop lying awake at 2 a.m. every time you hear hail on the roof. Is there a reason not to choose Guardian? Well, honestly, there's not many. I mean, if your carrier doesn't offer Class 4 discounts, the financial case becomes a little harder. And if budget is genuinely the issue, then the next step down, our enhanced package, might be a better option. But for most homeowners in this market, Guardian is the answer. Most homeowners land here once they see what the difference actually costs them per month. Now for the enhanced package. Every shingle in the enhanced tier is Class 3 impact rated. Now you may be wondering, what's the difference between Class 3 and Class 4? It all comes down to how these ratings are earned. Here's the breakdown. The rating comes from the UL 2218 impact resistance test, where steel balls are dropped onto shingles from a set height to simulate hail. The Class 3 test uses a 1.75-inch steel ball dropped from 17 feet. To pass, the shingle can show no cracking or splitting after 2 hits to the same spot. Meanwhile, the Class 4 test uses a 2-inch steel ball dropped from 20 feet. Same pass criteria, no cracking or splitting after 2 hits to the same spot. That 1/4-inch difference in ball size and 3 extra feet of drop translates to significantly more kinetic energy on impact, which, if you remember from physics class, force is equal to mass times acceleration. And that's why Class 4 is considered the top rating in the industry. In practical terms, a Class 4 shingle's engineered and built to withstand impacts up to about 2 inches in diameter, while Class 3 is built to withstand impacts up to 1.75 inches in diameter, without sustaining damage that compromises the roof. Both are a genuine step up from a standard shingle. Better resistance to hail and wind damage, long-term durability, and in the same clean dimensional look that most homeowners are comfortable with. And here's something worth knowing. Many of the major carriers in Texas do offer discounts for Class 3 rated systems as well. Now, it's important to note that they're not as common and they're not as large as Class 4 discounts, but I'd say it's still worth a call to your agent before your appointment to find out exactly what your policy or insurance company offers. I want to reiterate that the difference between Enhanced and Guardian on a typical job is somewhere between $1,500 and $2,000. That's the gap. And with our most popular financing term of 72 months, that's only $20 to $25 a month. And in exchange for that difference, Guardian gives you a full Class 4 rating, stronger warranty coverage, and insurance discounts that, for most Texas homeowners, will outpace the upgrade cost within the first year or two. I'm not saying Enhanced is the wrong choice. I'm saying that you should take a strong look at the gap before you decide. So when does Enhanced make sense? When you want better protection than a standard shingle, but you're working within a tighter budget. When the Class 4 jump feels like a little bit of a stretch, but you still want a proven, dependable system without overcomplicating the decision. And so when might Enhanced not be the right call? Well, honestly, if you can stretch to Guardian, do it. The gap is smaller than most people expect, and what you get in return is worth it. The only time Enhanced is clearly the right stopping point is if budget is a hard constraint and Class 4 just isn't within reach right now. Which brings us to our standard package. And I want to be upfront about something before I describe it. I'll tell you exactly when it makes sense, and I'll be honest about when it doesn't. Because there are situations where standard is genuinely the right call, and there are situations where it isn't. And I'd rather you know now than find out later. Standard comes with entry-level architectural shingles. And I want to be clear, these are not your cheap builder grade 3-tab shingles. They offer real wind protection. They look great, and they're a legitimate roofing system. And as long as we don't have any significant size hailstorms, a well-installed standard roof with proper ventilation can theoretically last for 30 or even 40 years. But given the trends we've seen in our weather patterns in Central Texas over the past decade, that's a big assumption. So when does standard make sense? Well, when budget is the primary constraint and you just need a quality roof now. Or when you're preparing to sell and you don't want to overinvest into the property. In those situations, standard's usually the right answer and there's no shame in choosing it. Now, if you're leaning towards standard, hear me out on two things. One, go back to the math we did earlier. A standard roof that needs replacing every 5 to 7 years ends up costing more over time than a more durable system installed once. And roofing prices go up every year. Two, without an impact resistance rating, there's no insurance discount opportunity. And in a hail market like ours, your likelihood of needing a full replacement after every major hailstorm goes up dramatically. And here's one more thing I want every homeowner considering standard to know. Financing changes this conversation entirely. If the reason you're looking at standard is because the upfront number on Guardian or Enhanced feels a little out of reach, it's worth a second look because we offer same-day financing approvals, 0% interest options, and term links that bring monthly payments down to something that genuinely works for most budgets. When you spread it out over 72 months, most homeowners are surprised by how small the monthly difference is. It's usually less than a night out to dinner. And one last thing, because I know some of you may be wondering where standing seam metal fits into all this. Well, here's the deal. A lot of people think of it as a forever roof, and in a lot of ways it is. It has very little maintenance, it stands up really well to wind and hail, but here's something most people wouldn't tell you. Just because large hail doesn't functionally damage the metal, it doesn't mean that it doesn't cosmetically damage it. And I've seen situations where homeowners trying to sell their home were forced to replace their 5-year-old standing seam metal roof, all because it had little dents all over it. So given the investment level, it's not in our Citadel package for one simple reason. I don't want you to be upset at me if you end up having to replace that metal roof because it ends up getting a little dented up after a hailstorm. Metal roofs do last a really long time, and in the right application on the right home, they make a lot of sense, but we handle that on a case-by-case basis. So as long as you understand that risk and you still want us to install a standing seam metal roof on your home, we're happy to make that happen. So here's where we land. You now know every option on the table, what each one does, when it makes sense, and when it doesn't. So the decision's yours. And now you have everything you need to make it confidently. Just remember, the right roof comes down to just a few simple things. How long you plan to stay, what your insurance situation looks like, what your risk tolerance is, and what features ultimately matter most to you when it's all said and done. Now that we've talked about every roof system level and when each one does or doesn't make sense, the next question is how to pay for it. And this is where a lot of homeowners are surprised, because paying cash isn't always the best financial move, even if you have it. Same-day approvals, 0% interest options, and term links that can vary from as short as 6 months, same as cash, all the way out to 120 months in order to get your payment as low as possible. This flexibility makes a premium roof more affordable per month than most people expect. So in the next video, I'm gonna break down exactly how roof financing works, when it makes sense, and how to use it to your advantage, whether you're paying out of pocket or you're working through an insurance claim. It's a short video, and it might completely change how you think about this investment.